We have got a camper van. Gonna hide behind the van because it's too windy. But yeah, we're gonna do a little walk around the van. We're gonna do something different. We're gonna do like a little YouTube series of converting a van into a camper van. And yeah, just go from there. Again, first time doing it, so should be fun. Should be interesting. Should learn a few things on it. Go from there. That's basically it. Yeah, got a van. Hopefully, paid $4,500 for it, and I want to try and convert it into a camper van for less than 10 grand. So we have $5.5 grand to spend on it. So yeah, should be interesting. Go from there, show you the process of making the camper van, converting it into our ideal camper van. We already have a van already, but it's a bit small, and this is a bit bigger, so we can move around in there a bit more easier. So yeah, I'll show you the van, show you what we've got, I'll show you the plans. Yeah, good thing about it, when you're standing up, don't have to duck down or anything. So what we've done so far, when we got the van, it had all like metal bars from I presume like a tool chest or something, all fixed down on the floor. So we had to drill all them out, all the rivets holding it down, and then we've got rid of any rust, painted it, and we put these rubber pads on, like sticky rubber pads, that just seals the floor, stops any water from coming through, and that's basically what we're up to so far. We've made a little start on the sound deadening, as you can see here, and we've fitted a fan. That was in our last well, it won't be our last video, that'll be on our next video. We filmed it in a bit of a weird order, so yeah, you'll see how we've fitted this fan. Skylight, pretty cool. Just made up about that, no leak fever. But yeah, so we've started on the sound deadening. Later on this video, you're going to see us do more sound deadening, this area and that area as well. And we're going to start to insulate it. Looks all pretty today, shame out the wind. But yeah, here's the front of the cab. Nothing fancy, but nice and big. Just needs to be proper clean and it'll be good as new. So one part of it done, just need to do the back part going on alright. So we've done the sound deadening on one side, and now we are putting the loose insulation, which is this recycled plastic insulation. So we just cut this off into strips, and then we put it in all in all these little pockets and all these little voids, and we just have a little spot on the ceiling to do on the sound deadening. But this side's all done. Done the wheel arch just in as well. That's all being insulated for sound deadening. Just in the middle of this side now. Just got another roll of sound deadening out. So just need to finish off this side here, this wheel arch, these little bits behind where we can get to. And then up in the ceiling, finish them 2 bits. Little panel on the back. There you go, Claire's there, just throwing all the insulation in. So we are making progress. Got all the loose insulation on the bottom panels on one side done, and then just need to put it all on the top now. Getting there with the sound deadening. That side's done now. Just need to do these 2 little panels on the roof. This little strip here, and then it'll be a case of I need to start taking all this off the back and start sorting all that out then. Took the back part off now. Just need to take these little bits off, give it a clean, put some sound deadening on there, get rid of this gunk. I'll be someone being squirting silicone, naughty boys. So, been busy today. So we've finished the soundproofing. Finished the soundproofing, got all the insulation inside the panels. The back's been done, soundproofed, and clipped the trims back on here again. I probably just felt over these there as well. Just need to get a bit more insulation for the door. But it's going to be a window in this one, and then a window in that one as well. So slowly coming together. So on the next video now, we just need to put on it's like insulation that kind of sits over everything and all the metal. It's like a foam. And then yeah, he'll be starting to route the wiring, start putting carpets in, as in on the walls. Yeah, it's coming together. Again, big up Dodo for sending over the goods. So yeah, getting there. I think the next big purchase now is going to be probably get the windows, get them cut in there. Yeah, slowly getting there.